Hello, today we will guide you through how to view account statement on Trading 212. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly confirm your balances, activity, and portfolio value. First, open your web browser and go to the Trading 212 app. Give the page a moment to load your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and that you're on the main screen where you can see your portfolio overview. It helps to use a desktop or a larger screen for clearer navigation, but the layout is similar on most devices. If your interface looks slightly different due to updates or theme settings, don't worry. The key elements will still be in the same general area. Next, look for the highlighted area shown in this guide on the main dashboard. This highlight points you to the section that provides quick access to your portfolio information and related options. Click directly on that highlighted element to open the panel you need. If you don't immediately see the highlight, try maximizing your browser window or reducing zoom to 1 so the controls are visible without overlapping. Once the panel is open, locate the Investments Value section. You'll see a small settings control, typically a gear icon or a clickable label, associated with Investments Value. Click that to open the Investments Value settings. This area centralizes display and reporting options connected to your portfolio value, and it's the doorway to the information you need for statements. Opening this settings view ensures you're not just seeing a snapshot, but the underlying breakdown that supports your official records. From here, scroll down to view the details. As you move down the page, look for the section that presents your account statement information, including your starting and ending balances, deposits, withdrawals, fees, and other relevant activity. If filters or date selectors are available on your screen, adjust them to the period you want to review so the figures match the time frame you need. Take a moment to compare the totals with your portfolio value at the top of the page. This helps confirm everything reconciles. If there are toggles to expand line items, open them to see additional context and descriptions for each entry. That's all there is to it. Go to Trading 212, click the highlighted area on the dashboard, open the Investments Value settings, and then scroll down to view your account statement. Pause the video as needed and review the figures carefully so you leave with a clear, documented picture of your account.